Hi, Bruce from Safari, and we're looking at one of our first installations here, which is Sail Ningaloo over in WA. And if we go down into our Meteor batteries here and have a look at them, we can see the state of charge at the moment, state of health, 100%. The ambient temperature over there, Luke tells me, is way up around 45°C. You can see that that's the case temperature. What I want to show you here is the detail. What we're able to do with our Meteor batteries is see across the whole pack. So there's 6 batteries in here online that you can read in the battery modules, and it'll show us the lowest cell voltage, the highest cell voltage, and this is incredible. The batteries have been going up and down like a yo-yo and has been on solar power, and look at the difference here where we're virtually at the 3rd decimal place here in the delta. The battery packs themselves, the temperature differentials between the minimum and the maximum is 1°C. That's like absolutely perfect. And the number of modules blocking charge or discharge because of a BMS is 0. We've got absolutely no issue. And then finally, installed is 276 amp hours, but this is at 57.6 volts, so the watt hours are higher, but the actual batteries are measuring slightly higher than the installed. That's the Meteor, and how good's that?